Before you set off to explore Istanbul's colorful bazaars, Cappadocia's magical skies, and Antalya's sunny beaches, here's your quick and easy packing guide to make sure you're fully ready for your Turkish adventure. Start with light, breathable clothing for warm days. Cotton shirts, comfortable pants, and airy dresses work best. Since evenings can get cooler, pack a light jacket or sweater. If you plan to visit mosques, include modest outfits, long skirts or pants, and a scarf for women to cover their heads. For shoes, bring comfortable walking shoes for sightseeing and sandals, or flip-flops for the beach. Add essentials like sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat to stay protected from the sun. Don't forget tech gear, a universal power adapter, portable charger, and extra storage for your camera or phone to capture every moment. A reusable water bottle is also great for long exploring days. If you're traveling in winter, pack warm layers, a coat, boots, and gloves, especially if you're heading to Cappadocia or Eastern Turkey where temperatures drop sharply. Lastly, keep your passport, eVisa, travel insurance, and some cash in a secure pouch, along with a small first aid kit and any medications. And don't forget to check the description for easy eVisa guidance to make your Turkey adventure completely hassle-free.